Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like that, half his head. So when the fish comes after him, there you go.
How dare you?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Oh, I have to keep back.
Okay, Grammy's turn.
Do it. He feels cute. He's like Charlie's Tom. Oh my god, do this one. Let me do this one. Oh, hey. I don't know.
Brahma.
You have to get closer.
I can't do it.
Waiting for them. And open up your mouth just like you did. Say ah. Ah. There we go. There we go.
These are ginormous.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
You see fishy in there?
That was funny.
That's crazy. Oh, right behind my beautiful daughter is a Florida panther that wants to eat her and has been bounced.
He's like,
Wait, listen. You couldn't hear him.
He's like, this isn't funny anymore because they already got my number. Wave, Damus, wave to him.
That's your sister.
Are you getting this on video?
Smile.
Over here.
I never been this popular.
Alright, move it over. Let Kendall hold it.
Okay. Put your foot up there.
Get closer.
Where's my food?
Here you go.
Oh, doggy. You're special.
You want it?
All right, we get it. It's enough.
Who are these guys? Gibbons. Why did they go? Oh!
Yo, skinny.
Just give him some grease and oil scalp, please.
Feed him, Ava. Here, you're with your hands, baby. With my hands? The bucket is not gonna. No, move the bucket. They're gonna take the bucket from you. Give me the bucket.
Girl, you making him get tight on my neck, bro. All right, ready? You might want to get your hair pieces because they kind of look good. Hey, I like the way you move that tail, boy. It's okay. My tail. Ooh! Take him! Get him!
Got that one.
That's so funny. What you doing, dear? No, show a picture, show a video first. I know. What the heck? Okay, hold on. Okay. What? It does not like you.
Go, Lindsay. Lindsay, go. Do it.
Okay. Right.
Does my hair look okay? My name is Mama. Does my hair look okay? My picture.
Can't see you if you do that. You're shaking. Don't move. Go ahead and take that picture, Don.
Oh my god. JC,
Casey, it's
I
okay.
don't like squirrels.
Don't move, Casey.
He's eating something.
I don't like squirrels.
What happens when he's done eating? Are you okay? Somebody help him.
Lure it. Do it again.
No, we turn around. Watch it. Look at
It likes your butt.
Look at it.
It's mesmerized.
Oh, wait, Mom. He's trying to eat your nose. Oh no, poor thing.
Try again. Is he got you good?